Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds Creative Outlier Air on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your main earbud at the device list. Mine is left one, but it's right for you. It's not a problem also, so don't worry. And right here I have audio device type, so click on it and select headphones. After that, put your main earbud to the charging case, and it should disconnect from your phone and make the second earbud the main one. And now click the settings icon near to this earbud, and also we need to set device type right here, so tap on it and headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!